welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a box from Cricut. They have released a new machine. They recently announced the Cricut Joy XTRA, and I am super excited to have one to be able to unbox and show you what it can do. And then you can decide if it's for you. Once available for sale, I will go ahead and post a link below, or update the description below to post a link below where you can purchase it. It is an affiliate link, and I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you. Give one second, let me get it out of the box. There we go. Okay, so this is the beautiful Cricut Joy XTRA. So if you're familiar with all of their other machines, this is slightly bigger than their Cricut Joy. Let me grab mine real quick. This is my Cricut Joy. I love it. It's so handy, especially when I'm making videos. It's super handy to have available just to print out something. I love using it to make my niece t-shirts, different logos, things like that for her clothes. It's great for small projects. The Cricut Joy XTRA is slightly bigger. So we'll take a look at all of this stuff that comes with it here in a second, but I just want to pull her out. She is pure white and gorgeous. And the best thing about her being pure white, look at the other stuff that comes with it. So it looks like it comes with a marker, and it comes with this cool new weeding tool. I'm actually super excited to try out. It's just a little, I mean, it looks like a pick for a guitar, a little thicker with a point. So that's going to be a lot of fun to play with. I pulled out the paper on top of it and use with my Cricut Joy. So also the cord. Okay. This little marker is a fine point 04. Okay, so that is included. But let me show you. Let me show you these two next to each other. This is the Cricut Joy. She sits on my desk nearly all the time. This is the Joy XTRA. She's a little bit bigger. Can do all of the stuff that the Joy does, plus, which is the extra. The size is big enough. It's 8.5, I believe. Let's check. Let's check the specifics in our Cricut book. Okay, Cricut Joy XTRA user guide. Let's get started. All that slid in there. This tells you how to connect her. We'll go through that in a second. User guide. What's included, machine, the blade and housing, the fine point pen, the cord, power adapter and cord, free trial membership to Cricut Access if you don't have that already, 50 to ready to make projects online, material for practice cuts, and bonus materials. Okay. I was looking to see what size. I do have mats in the other room I can grab, and of course we can see what that is. But I know that if I print a piece of paper for print and cut, desk print and cut, which the Cricut Joy doesn't technically do, I can just use a standard sheet of paper. So we also have all of these materials. to play with. So let's definitely play with that. So let's do this. I'm going to switch over to, I'm going to get her hooked up, plugged in, and then we will switch over. Oh, there are things to pull out. I already pulled it out, but there's foam you have to pull out here. And then in the back, there's some foam that you need to pull out here as well. So make sure you do that before turning her on. Get that in the trash. And then the plug. So I'm going to go to right here. Let's get started. Activate your machine, cricut.com/setup. So cricut.com/setup. So tell it you're setting up a cutting machine. I want you to download Design Space and continue the setup. I already have it downloaded. So I'm going to open mine. If you don't have it downloaded, you'll click the other button, the download now. I am working on a Mac, but they will have instructions here as well for a PC. Just say if you need help, please visit cricut.com/contact. And then once all that's downloaded or updated, whatever you need to do there, you click on Smart Cutting Machines. And then you are going to click on the Cricut Joy XTRA. Make sure you have cleared 10 inches of space behind the Cricut Joy XTRA, which I will do by turning her sideways on my desk. So you'll see that when I get back to my desktop view. Next, find an outlet, connect the power, which I've done. And now it's going to tell you how to connect it by Bluetooth. If you need help, there is a button right here that says need connection help. On my Apple, I'm just going to go up to, I believe, settings. And then I'm going to go to Bluetooth. A lot of times if you're not seeing it, you may need to go to the advanced option. And set up your advanced options as well. So okay, so that one was actually my Joy XTRA, so I've now connected to her, or selected her as a device, and I'm going to connect her. And now it's connected. So when I come back here, I can select the Cricut Joy XTRA. It's going to connect the Design Space to the Cricut Joy XTRA. Continue. I don't have an image here, but you'll have an image there. And I am going to activate her on my account. I don't know why I keep saying her. I'm going to activate it on my account. It's now set up and registered to my account. Let's test your machine. Let's make sure our machine is working perfectly. Let's cut this vinyl decal to get started. Select next. So let's do it. Go back to my desktop, and I'll show you, or I'll move this little guy out of the way. I like the blue, but again, I like the white because I can do anything with it, right? It can fit any, anything. It can fit whatever I want it to. So, I'll just decorate it myself. So this is Smart Vinyl Removable. This is Smart Label Writable. This is Smart Vinyl Removable. And this actually is heat transfer vinyl. So that's pretty cool that they put that in here as a sample sheet. And transfer paper. So they thought of everything we needed. I'm going to go with the Smart Vinyl Removable because we're doing this little Cricut logo for this unboxing. But we're going to actually have a lot of fun and making some projects with this as well. So I'm just going to open up the machine. Hit next. It says prepare for the cut. Confirm the blade is in place. Okay. Blade is in place. So this is Smart Vinyl, so you don't need a mat. You can use Smart Vinyl if you happen to have Smart Vinyl and you don't have a machine that uses Smart Vinyl. You can still use it on a mat if you want. So you just cut it down and fit it on your mat. And I do have a mat to use with this. It is sold separately, so you can purchase a mat that will work with this machine as well. And it pulls it in. Confirm your blade is in place with the clamp closed. Next. Prepare for cut. Use both hands to insert it, which it did, and it took it. So now we're going to hit go. And it's going to do our test cut for us. How exciting. Cricut Joy XTRA. So one of the things about the Joy XTRA is the print to cut. I think I already said that. One of the new things, so I'm going to be able to show you making some pretty cool stickers. Super excited for stickers and for sublimation. I can do some print and cut if I want for sublimations, or even just to play around print and cut. So I'm super excited to make stickers with that as well. There we have our gorgeous little Cricut. So then I'm going to hit unload. It's going to unload. Just to save some of the vinyl, I'm going to cut this out. And then I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to peel away the extras, and then I'm going to peel away. So that's the trash. And then you can peel out all the little pieces, or if you're like me and want to use both of them, you can peel the big piece. Try not to tear it or get it stuck to my nails. My little weeding tool to help me keep those pieces that I can use also. Oops. So part of my Cricut is crooked. There we go. So there you have it. That is my first practice cut with the Cricut. I am super excited to make some stickers with this. So let me know what you think of the Cricut Joy XTRA. Absolutely, if you have the Cricut Joy and don't want to make stickers, you do not need to upgrade. The machine is $199. If you don't have the Cricut Joy, you just have the bigger machines and you've been wanting to use a smaller machine, or if you just don't have anything and you wanna make some stickers, this is going to be a huge investment. I think it's going to be my go-to sticker maker. So I'm super excited for that. But it's not made to replace the Cricut Joy. Just basically level up. So keep that in mind if you already have it and if you have a Cricut Joy and you're not interested in making stickers, then it may not be the machine for you. But if you want to level up and make some cool stickers, they have some really cool waterproof sticker options available out there. that I will show you in the next video. So thanks for watching. I'm so excited to play with this. Let me know what you think in the box below.